Welcome to Frankfurt. Today, we're going to take you on a journey to explore 5 remarkable places in Frankfurt that you can enjoy without spending a cent. From the city's rich historical landmarks to serene natural escapes, these destinations will give you a full experience of Frankfurt's charm without hurting your wallet. Let's get started. Our first stop is Römerberg, Frankfurt's historical square, situated in the heart of the Altstadt, Old Town. This cobblestone plaza is the city's oldest and most picturesque public square, brimming with history dating back to the medieval era. The first thing that strikes you as you enter is the stunning row of half-timbered houses, known as Ostseile. These charming buildings have been meticulously reconstructed to their pre-war glory, evoking the feel of Frankfurt's medieval roots. At the center of the square, you'll find the Gerechtigkeitsbrunnen, Fountain of Justice, with the statue of Lady Justice standing proudly, her scales symbolizing fairness and order. The fountain has been here since 1543 and was once a site of public celebrations during the coronation of Holy Roman emperors. One of the key highlights here is the Römer, Frankfurt's iconic city hall, which has been the seat of the city's government for over 600 years. The facade of the Römer, with its 3 distinctive gables, is one of the most photographed spots in the city. While entry to the building isn't free, you can explore the area around it, including nearby churches like Alte Nikolaikirche, which is free to enter, and offers a glimpse into Frankfurt's religious history. Take time to explore the narrow alleyways branching off Römerberg, where you can lose yourself in the charm of small shops, old-world architecture, and vibrant street life. If you visit during the Christmas season, the square transforms into a magical winter wonderland, hosting one of Germany's oldest and largest Christmas markets. A trip to Frankfurt wouldn't be complete without visiting one of the city's most important historical and architectural landmarks, the Frankfurt Cathedral. This impressive Gothic-style cathedral holds great significance in both the city's history and the history of the Holy Roman Empire. Next, we're heading to Eiserner Steg, an iconic pedestrian bridge that spans the main river, connecting Frankfurt's city center with the district of Sachsenhausen. Built in 1868 and rebuilt after World War II, the iron structure has become one of the city's most beloved landmarks. What makes this bridge so special is its panoramic view of both Frankfurt's modern skyline and historical buildings. As you walk across the bridge, you'll notice hundreds of love locks attached to its railings, left by couples from around the world as a symbol of their eternal love. It's become a romantic spot, and many come here to declare their love while taking in the breathtaking views. The real treat, however, is the view you get from the bridge. To one side, you'll see the towering skyscrapers of the Frankfurt Financial District, including the Commerzbank Tower and Main Tower. To the other, the riverfront with its charming old buildings and green spaces. At sunset, the city skyline bathes in a golden light, offering a perfect moment to capture stunning photos. You can also take a leisurely stroll along the main river promenade, a favorite spot for both locals and tourists alike to relax, have a picnic, or simply enjoy the sights and sounds of the river. Our third stop is the magnificent Alte Oper, one of Frankfurt's most important cultural landmarks. The building, originally completed in 1880, stands as a testament to the city's rich musical heritage. Although the original opera house was heavily damaged during World War II, it was rebuilt and restored to its former glory in the 1980s, and today it is a symbol of Frankfurt's resilience and love for the arts. While attending an opera or concert inside requires a ticket, the exterior of the building is free to admire, and it is absolutely worth it. The Alte Oper is a masterpiece of Renaissance architecture, with grand columns, detailed sculptures, and an overall majestic presence that dominates the square in which it stands. Many statues and reliefs on the facade depict famous composers and musical symbols, creating a perfect fusion of art and architecture. The square in front of the Opera House, Opernplatz, is a beautiful public space. You can sit by the large fountain, which is particularly lovely during warm summer days, and enjoy the lively atmosphere. The square is often bustling with activity, whether it's tourists snapping pictures, locals meeting for coffee, or even small performances taking place during festivals or special events. Looking for a moment of peace and tranquility in the middle of the bustling city? Bethmann Park is the perfect place to unwind. Tucked away just outside the busy city center, this well-kept park is a green oasis that offers a relaxing escape from urban life. One of the park's hidden treasures is the Garten des himmlischen Friedens, Garden of Heavenly Peace, commonly known as the Chinese Garden. This serene garden was built in the 1980s as a symbol of friendship between Frankfurt and China, and it's a beautiful example of traditional Chinese landscaping. Upon entering the Chinese garden, you'll feel like you've been transported into another world. Winding paths lead you past delicate bridges, pagodas, and carefully designed water features. The garden is filled with small ponds, where koi fish swim lazily beneath the surface, and the sound of trickling water adds to the sense of calm. The plants, including bamboo and willow trees, were selected to evoke the feeling of harmony and balance central to Chinese philosophy. It's an ideal spot for a peaceful stroll, a moment of reflection, or even some quiet meditation. The garden is relatively small, but it's a real hidden gem, providing a tranquil contrast to the busy city streets outside. Whether you're looking to relax or simply enjoy the beauty of nature, this garden offers a slice of serenity right in the heart of Frankfurt. Our final stop is at one of Frankfurt's most famous modern landmarks, the Euro Monument, located in front of the European Central Bank, ECB. This giant blue euro symbol with yellow stars stands tall, symbolizing Frankfurt's role as the financial capital of the European Union. It's an iconic spot for photos, especially for those interested in the economic significance of the city. The monument is more than just a symbol. It's a reminder of Frankfurt's position as a global financial hub. The nearby main tower, and other skyscrapers emphasize this modern identity, creating a striking contrast with the historic buildings you've seen earlier in the day. Just a short walk from the Euro Monument, you'll find a beautiful water fountain that adds an element of calm to this busy part of the city. It's a nice place to sit, enjoy the view, and take a break after a long day of exploring. The area around the ECB and the Euro Monument is often bustling with people, making it a vibrant spot to soak in the atmosphere of this cosmopolitan city. And that's it. These are the top 5 free places you can explore in Frankfurt, giving you a taste of the city's history, culture, and natural beauty without spending a dime. Whether you're admiring medieval architecture, walking along the river, or finding peace in a hidden garden, Frankfurt has something to offer every traveler. Thanks for joining us on this tour, and don't forget to check out these spots on your next trip. Stay tuned for more travel adventures.